First, roll cover to open position and secure with storage straps. At front corner, remove bolt mounting tension adjuster to side rail. Save bolt, nut, and washer. Under front bar, loosen remaining tension adjuster bolt. Then slide tension adjuster away from side rail. Repeat process for remaining tension adjuster. Next, remove rolled cover from truck box. On a clean and smooth work area, unroll cover with bars and bows facing up. Then determine how storage strap brackets attach to cover. Pull storage strap up until free from bar, then pull through slot and vinyl. Repeat process on opposite side. Insert storage strap brackets through factory cut slots. Carefully align snap-on bracket tabs with groove in front bar and gently snap into place. Turn cover over and roll using rear bar. Then secure with storage straps. Set rolled cover on rails behind cab and set flat on side rails with vinyl flap tucked under front bar. Next, slide tension adjuster over until both sections engage under side rail. Align holes to insert bolt from top, then secure with washer and nut on bottom. Repeat process for tension adjuster on opposite side. Center front bar between side rails, then tighten bolts under front bar. Then unroll cover to closed position.